Let's get into the mangrove forest. Hello everyone. Guys, today I'm here in Pondicherry and I'm going to take you around to mangrove forest boat ride. Well, this is something new and interesting, I believe. I've not done this earlier. I've been to Pondi, I've always gone to the Aurobindo ashram and places like that, but I've not done this. Looks pretty interesting. It's a 1 hour ride and they'll take you about 4-5 places and you're going to pit stop in a place and do some fish catching and all of that. So it's going to be so much fun. Without giving you further more details, I'm just going to take you on and let's go see it ourselves. 8 kilometers away from the Pondicherry center, you will be entering this Aryakuppan mangroves in Pondicherry. It's a 1 hour boat ride that covers 4 points and you have to watch my video till the end to know all the interesting points that we went and the beautiful scenery that we got to see. The tickets are 500 per person. Well, we are in September and it's extremely hot. Pondicherry is giving me so much of suntan. It's very hot. But I just want to do this ride, so let's just go. The best time to visit this place would be from October to February when the weather is way cooler and you'll really enjoy the entire ride. They have a lot of activities apart from the boat ride that we are going to get into and see now, like kayaking, bird watching, and of course they have a lot of photo sites on the way. As you can see, one right up there with the wings, like that, all through the walkway until we reach the boat. Finally, after quite some bit of a walk, I have reached mangrove forest entry and let me take you inside. So here we are to wait for our boat ride. It was pretty crowded, so 2 minutes and then we get in. So behind me is the boating for which we are waiting. Until then, I thought I'll take you on a ride inside the mangrove forest. It's very interesting. Let me just show you. The moment you enter the forest, the whole feel is very different. Well, how it feels to be in a ghana jungle is what you will get to know. The crabs are the natives of this forest. There were so many, and the moment you run, they'll get into the holes. You see them moving, crawling and getting into the water. Well, the speciality here are these red leg crabs. They are the clean crew of the forest as they feed on the dead leaves and the algae to keep the ecosystem healthy. To add to our adventure before our ride, well, I came across this snake which scared the hell out of me and I started running. But as long as you don't touch them or disturb them, they will not trouble you, and that's the rule of the jungle. You just quietly observe, and it was so fascinating. The kids really got excited looking at the snake. So here we are on and here we start our boat ride. Here we go. Here is our pit stop at a place where it's a historical place and we're going to get down 10 minutes and go explore inside and come back to our boat. So let's get started. I'm not really sure what are we going to see inside, but it's crazy hot and I might end up fainting in a while. So we're just going to go walk up there, see what it is. I'll show you. and then you can decide if you really want to get down over here and have this pit stop. This place is of historical importance and called Arikamedu. It was considered one of the major Indo-Roman trading port around the 1st century BCE. Well, the brick structures that you see, they are considered to be parts of warehouses, factories, or some trading posts around the mangrove fringed backwaters. This gives the area a very peaceful island-like feel. It gives you a window into Pondicherry's 2000-year-old history hidden amidst this tranquil backwaters. The next stop of your boat ride is into the Pondicherry Fishing Harbour. One of the biggest there. You'll find the boats neatly parked, lined up. It's a beautiful sight to watch. The final destination of your boat ride is the river mouth at the Paradise Beach, the one that you see right ahead of you where the Aryakuppan River meets the Bay of Bengal. And from here you take a turn and get back to the place from where you started, and I'm going to take you to a fantastic place for lunch to complete your day and then get back home. When in Pondi, you cannot miss to eat at Coromandel. It's one of the most happening restaurants there, and the whole vibe and feel is so good that you'll just feel like soaking yourself in. So just get in, take a booking, and enjoy some of their delicious starters, the hummus that we had, the pizza, and the spaghetti. It was all so yum and amazing. End your day by hitting the rock beach, as Pondicherry is not complete without that. Like and share this video with everyone who wants to visit Pondi, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such interesting updates.